Hello, my name is Nancy Prince, and I am from Orlando, Florida. I am an international teacher, author, and designer specializing in thread painting and thread sketching. My quilts have won numerous awards, including Best of Show at the International Quilt Festival in Houston, Best of World at Mancuso, and over 20 Viewers' Choice Awards. On-site workshops have been my main focus for the past 20 years, but in the last year, virtual workshops were added. My aim, whether on-site or virtual, is to create an atmosphere of learning, but at the same time, keep the students interested, engaged, plus add a bit of fun and laughter along the way. My previous students have all commented on my attention to detail and how well the workshops are organized. The same camera technology I have used in my on-site workshops have been recreated for my virtual workshops to give students a front row seat for up-close viewing of all machine demos. All workshops require a kit, which includes a comprehensive color booklet illustrating each project step in detail. My on-site and virtual workshop selection includes a variety of thread techniques. Thread-painted landscapes, Woodlands starts with the printed background, and the thread is the star to create a realistic, completed project. Embellishing printed fabric again starts with printed fabric, and the workshop's emphasis is learning the shading and blending techniques to create a realistic design. Countryside thread sketching begins with printed stabilizer and a straight stitch to create a light and airy design. In addition to on-site and virtual workshops for guilds and shows, I also offer a special virtual workshop version called At Home with Nancy. These workshops are open enrollment, which means anyone can sign up. Individuals can choose from an already scheduled thread painting workshop, or a group of 10 or more can determine their own scheduled time. Derwent Inktense pencils workshops, whether on-site or virtual, are so much fun. Just pencil the design on the fabric and then paint the design using my fantastic fabric medium. The difference is dramatic. My most popular lecture is So What is Thread Painting All About? And with 20 years of making thread painted quilts, there is a story to tell. This lecture delves into my thread painting techniques, some fun and humorous stories surrounding my quilts, and a virtual trunk slideshow of quilts from my first thread painted quilt 21 years ago to my latest competitive quilt. To select a workshop, go to nancyprince.com and click on Workshops and Lectures and select On-Site, Virtual, or Open Enrollment. Learning to thread paint and thread sketch is fun, easy, and offers another avenue to embellish your quilts.